Welcome to my hand embroidery tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through creating a beautiful floral design using simple stitches. Let's begin the outline stitch. Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Decide on your stitch length. Insert the needle back into the fabric at the end of this length, creating your first stitch. Now bring your needle up through the fabric and insert it in the half of the first stitch. Continue this process. Move forward the same stitch length, insert the needle, then bring it back up. This project is perfect for both beginners and seasoned embroiderers looking to refresh their skills. For the petals, we'll use the lazy daisy stitch. Bring the needle up at the base of a petal. Create a loop by inserting the needle back near the entry point, but don't pull it tight. Come up at the tip of the petal, catching the loop, and then make a small stitch over the loop to anchor it. Repeat this for each petal. This stitch forms looped petals, adding a delicate touch to your flower. For this long petal, I am using Romanian stitch. Bring the needle up through the fabric at the starting point. Take a short straight stitch forward and pull the thread through. Bring the needle up again, slightly behind the first stitch, splitting the previous stitch in the middle. Repeat this process, always bringing the needle up in the center of the last stitch, creating a textured, braided effect. This technique creates a strong, decorative stitch, making it perfect for filling areas with a textured look. When you reach the end, secure the thread by making a small knot at the back and trim the excess thread. And there you have it, a beautiful Romanian stitch, ready to enhance your embroidery project. Now place the pencil or pen on the design and bring up your needle through the fabric and start making stitches around the pen. Three to 5 rounds are enough to make a flower. Pull out the pen and bring your needle up through the fabric. Pass your needle through the stitches and insert back the needle to fabric. I am using wool thread for flowers. Bring the needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Wrap the thread around the needle once or twice. This creates the knot at the top. Insert the needle back into the fabric a short distance away from the starting point, pulling the thread through carefully to form a neat knotted end with a straight tail. This creates a raised, elegant stitch that works beautifully in floral designs and delicate patterns. When you've added all your pistil stitches, secure the thread at the back with a small knot and trim the excess, and that's it. A lovely, decorative stitch that adds a touch of elegance to your embroidery project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different stitches and designs. Happy stitching!